In this video, we are going to talk about how you can use the scheduler function. So in order to use this function, you need to log into the web page of your media station. You do that by accessing the administrator web interface. Type in your username and password. Once you're inside the station, you need to click on Scheduler. In this scheduler page, you have several options available to you. To start using Scheduler in the first place, you need to toggle the option for it, and you need to set it to on. Then you have some other options available to you. For example, if you would like to see a textual overlay telling you how much time is left until your next event, if you would like to know what is the name of this upcoming event, then make sure to toggle this option, auto text overlay, make sure it stays on. Then you also have the different options for where to get the schedule from. Simply because we have integrated several VCMS platforms, including Opencast, Panopto, and Kaltura, so you can schedule using any of these three platforms, but you can also schedule manually or periodically using the ICS format file. So let's take a look at the Opencast settings first. Over here, you have several options that you need to fill out if you're using Opencast. That's URL, capture agent name, the username, and password. The same applies to Panopto, except you also need to have the registration key, and also the same for Kaltura. Now, let's take a look at the other options available, which is, for example, the manual calendar import. As I just mentioned, this requires the ICS file extension. And so you can get this from Google Calendar, you can get this from other kinds of calendars too. I have a Google Calendar prepared for this, so let's take a look at how we can export this file. Here is a testing scheduler calendar, and you can access the settings just by clicking in the Google interface for this. There is also import and export that you can use, but since I'm already in the particular calendar settings, let's just take a look at these. At the very top of this page, there is a button called Export Calendar. That's the one that you need. If you press it, your computer will download an archive, and within this archive there is just one file with the ICS extension. That is the file that you need to upload into the media station. Here is a button called Import. Press on it, then open the archive and open the file inside it. That will be the ICS file. Once you do this, press Apply, and all of the events in this calendar, they will be imported into the media station, and you will be able to check them using the orange button on the right side. That looks like a calendar. So this will show you all the upcoming events. Then you can also import the calendar periodically. The difference with this is that you only need to input the link once. So I'm going to show you again on the example of the calendar that I have prepared for this. If you scroll down at the bottom of this page, you have this integrations for calendar section. And the one that you need is the public address in iCal format. So this will allow you to link the calendar that you're using together with the media station. Press copy, go back to your media station, input it, and press apply. After the media station applies these settings, the scheduler will be enabled, and it will refresh periodically to get the updated events and work according to these, automatically recording and streaming depending on your settings. That is it for today's video. If you would like to know more, please contact us on our website at www.a-dana.com, and we'll be very happy to assist you. Have a good day.